So guys, yeah, what's up guys, looks so weird now. A lot of people have been asking me about the tricks and more hacks, how they can train their back at home. So I performed a back workout and it was really effective for me. I think it will work out for you also. It's the best if you utilize whatever you have right now, because you know that gyms aren't opening anytime soon. That's why I'm saying just don't wait, because already half of the year is gone and just 6 months are still left for this year to get over. Don't lose all your efforts and all your gains that you have made earlier. It's better to do something rather than doing nothing. Okay, so going ahead, I have used few things that every one of you must be having at your home. The first thing is a towel, a good towel. No matter if it's neat or not, you just need a towel and a bag. This is my best friend during the lockdown. It helped me to maintain my gains. So you can fill it with anything you like. You can fill it with books or water bottles, and if you want, you can go out and pick up some neat stones or bricks. You just put it inside. All you need is a good amount of weight that will put a stimulus in your muscle, and it will give you that load which might help you to grow muscles also. It's all the game of progressive overload. That's how you grow your muscle. You just need to put that tension in which you can feel the pain. So just stay tuned in the video and just see the workout, how it goes. I'll be explaining every workout and the repetitions and sets included in that. So just stay tuned, just grab something, grab a bag or a towel, and you're good to go. First thing first, you need to warm up your scapula muscles. So what you'll do, bring your scapula blades together and perform a pull out and pull in movement like I'm doing in the video. You need to strengthen your scapula because that's how you increase your pull-up performance. Similar action can be done by placing your hand in front of your face and doing the similar action like in the video. It is really effective if you want to improve your pull-ups, because these muscles, they have the maximum involvement while doing a pull-up. Okay, so this third exercise, we're using a towel. Just roll it outwards, and what you're going to do is you bend down and you slide your hand towards the wall. Make sure that your hands are in contact with the wall every time you're performing a rep, and put the maximum tension on the towel and feel every muscle in your back. And the tempo should be slow, guys, because you don't have the allowance for more weight and more load. So you need to make sure that the tempo of every repetition is slow and steady. Yeah, here comes the favorite exercise. That's the pull-up that you can do at your home, hanging on the door. Place that towel above the door because it will provide a cushioning to your palm. And see my tempo, it's really slow. I'm feeling every muscle in my back. So it is also effective if you don't have weight or you can't do the lat pull down like you do in the gym. This exercise is a good replacement. So just perform it. See, what am I doing here is I'm mimicking the action of a barbell row. It's similar, just hold the towel equal to the shoulder width and just pull it towards your navel, slow and steadily, and you'll feel the fire burning at your back muscles. Four sets of 15 repetitions. This is also a modified rowing single arm row. I have found an elevated surface, and by this I'm creating more allowance for the back to go downwards, and it will put more stimulus or more load to my lats. Okay, so with the towel you did it earlier, now with the back, both hands, it's also the barbell rows. It is one of the most effective exercise for targeting every muscle in your back. I have taken the assistant of the wall, but you can also do it without taking the support of the wall like I have been doing over here. It is more effective, but if you have a lower back, you can start with the previous one and slowly and gradually you can switch up to this particular form. Yeah, bottles, they are really useful in this. This is the rear delt fly. It is targeting my rear delt as well as my trap muscles. 15 repetitions of 4 sets are enough to blow up your trap muscles. It's really effective. And see, if you are facing a problem, you can take the assistance of the wall and similarly perform it by changing the angle of the bottles, thereby hitting the muscle from every side. And doing this exercise is really effective, guys. Just give it a try. Be creative in your exercises. Just think what works out for you, which muscle can be targeted by the best possible things that you have around you, and that's how you grow. That's how you make the best use out of your surroundings. These are few of my hacks. Hope you liked the video. I'll be making more videos, so it will be a great help if you like this video. Share it with a friend who is willing to maintain his physique, and please do subscribe to my channel. It will be a great help for me. Thanks a lot.